Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add drill down to any dashboard here in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a drill down feature to your dashboard here in Tableau is a straightforward process, providing numerous benefits, making the data analysis process more dynamic and user-friendly, because a drill down allows users to start with a high-level overview and then dive deeper into more granular data, which help them uncover insights that might not be visible in the total aggregated data. Now you see, I have a product drill down that I have created in the past, and for us to be able to achieve a similar function like this one, moving from different levels of data as needed to answer specific questions, I'm hovering back to my dashboard. I have already my map here, and I'm gonna start working with this to make this map drillable. Now, you see, click on this specific map, and then go to dashboard and go to actions. There's going to be a pop-up window, and I want you to click on the filter. Add an action, go to filter, just wait for it to load, and then now I'm going to rename this one something like this, and you need to choose where the drill down is going to be on the map. Obviously here. All right. Now, obviously, I wanted to show this to the targeted sheet, and that's going to be to how to add. No, I'm gonna choose something like this one. I'm gonna use maybe this. It's gonna be sheet 31, right? Okay, and then I want you to change the. Now I'm gonna make sure that this is correct. All right, so this I'm gonna show it to the. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard, actions. Go into the add action and filter. Gonna make sure that everything is correct. All right. I'm gonna check all of these and then show all values. When I click that, click on OK. Now we have, and then when clicking that, you should be able to have a drill down option here. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.